Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to follow route in Strava. So if you also want to follow route in Strava, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Strava application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged into your account, you'll be led to this kind of interface. At the bottom, you'll be able to see 5 icons. The icons are for home, maps, record, groups and you. All you have to do is tap on the record icon that is at the center. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see a start button over here. Just above it you'll be able to see several icons. Tap on the first icon. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you'll be able to see all the routes that you've created. Since I do not have subscription to Strava app, I'm not being able to see the routes over here. But you'll be able to see the routes that you've created. All you have to do is tap on the route of your choice. And then what you have to do is select an activity, tap on the second icon. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. All you have to do is tap on the activity of your choice. After that, simply tap on the start option. You can see over here it will start recording. To stop the recording, you can tap on the stop option that you can see at the bottom of your screen. So that is how you follow route in Strava. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.